Hey guys, welcome to the DeepSeek review. How good is it? Now, what stood out to me with the DeepSeek, of course, is, you know, DeepSeek's thinking and reasoning output. This is a simple example of, DeepSeek's ability to think in real time. I asked it to tell me how to build a chat app with a React front end. Okay, so it thought for about 28 seconds. Now, note that the first time I asked it, of course, I got a sorry, DeepSeek search service is busy. Please disable search or try again later. So this is what usually happens. A lot of people are trying to use DeepSeek. Their servers are always down. That is one issue I had. But this is a good example of what it can actually achieve when you get a response. Okay? Next, of course, we decided to ask it to design the chat UI. So we told it to create component for a message list and but field a send button, right, to submit messages. And this is what, DeepSeek came up with, right? And it was pretty good, right? And also asked it to do some real-time communication for using a WebSocket or a library like Socket.io for real-time messaging. So asked to install the Socket.io client and build up the backend, right? Create a Node.js for Express server with Socket.io to handle the real-time messaging. So it did the backend setup and also gave an example of JavaScript, right? And when I did ask, of course, DeepSeek a follow-up question of the transparency of the reasoning it used to arrive at its answer is impressive. So it did all the thinking, and I really like how it thought everything in details, took it step by step. And these are like several reasons, right, that explain, justify the current hype surrounding DeepSeek. So one, it is open source. It means that product companies can switch between, different providers and focus their efforts on the product and its customer experience, right? There's a race to the bottom for foundational data models. And of course, there's increasing a focus on inference. So if you look here, right, it gets cheaper and to train these and easier. Of course, it's running on new data and it's learning very, very fast. And the server times are getting better. So definitely it is worth it, especially when you do get a response. It is very, very good. So I hope this review provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you in the next one.